and welcome. I am very glad that you decided to click my link. I don't know where you found it, on my Facebook, on the internet, on my YouTube channel, or whatever. I wanted to share here this amazing platform with you guys. I'm offering you a 7-day free trial to try it. So it's 7 days, no credit card asked. You have the possibility to try all the tools that is in the platform. After that, you can decide which plan you want. So we have two plans, one that really is good for presence online, the other one offers you really some marketing tools and all of the tools. So in the end of the video here, I'm going to share with you all of the tools one by one. I'm going to show you what they can do for you. But I wanted to take 2 minutes just to tell you that while you're getting on this 7-day free trial plan, you'll be able to try all of the tools. But you will have the chance to get with me for a free online lessons. It's 5 modules of 4 lessons each, and you have we will go together. I am teaching you how to build a website really step by step. So I'm teaching you the Pixel Perfect Builder, and that's a tool really to build websites or a landing page or whatever you want to build that is going to go online. So really I'm looking into it, really each tool so you can build. So I'm sure that in 7 days you have the chance to build at least a 3 or 4 page website, or even if you just want a landing page, that's really fine. So I am encourage you to try it, because this tool is really an amazing tool. It's the best great internet tool that is right now online. It's really complete. You can use it for any kind of business and any niche, even if it's a really small business to a large corporation. Anything that is in this amazing platform can be useful. There are tools in there that usually you have to pay external, and you have to connect them. Just one example I am going to tell. It's called Mailing Boss, and it's an autoresponder mailing. So something like MailChimp or GetResponse and all of that. So all of that you have to pay externally if you have a website in WordPress. And we also have WordPress website builder in the platform. But the Pixel Perfect Builder is really simple, especially if you're a beginner and you have pop-ups. You can connect everything. It's really amazing. You can just check it out. It's 7 days free. You don't have nothing to lose. You'll get the chance to try all the tools and get the chance to get with me and build your Facebook. After that, if you don't like it, it's okay. And if you want to continue, great, because I'm an affiliate and I work with Builderall, and I think it's the most amazing platform in any business, and I just want to share it with you. So if you want to try it, click on the link below, try your 7-day free trial, and we'll get more and more into connection together, and after that you can decide what you want. So see you there, and hopefully we'll get to know each other and get to build something amazing. First of all, there's a Pixel Perfect Builder that is very powerful. I just wanted to take you through a little bit all of the templates that we have. So we have a lot of templates here for any kind of business. So here you can see construction, movie theater, travel, pet lover, and the list goes on and on. Like, we have so many templates that you can use. They're already pre-made. They're all done for you, and they're just beautiful. There are people here that working are amazing here. So I just wanted to say that all of the templates are amazing, and show you other tools that we have. So the other tools that we have, so I just wanted to take you through the Builderall platforms, because if you go to the 7-day free trial, you're going to land up in your account in Builderall, and you have to go to a place where all of the tools are. And I want to go through all of the tools for you, because I want to show you that there are all amazing tools and you can try them for 7 days. So here we have the Pixel Perfect Builder, so it's building your website. The Canva Funnel Builder, so you're making a landing page and all of that. It's just amazing. We have the Mailing Boss autoresponder, so any kind of business needs email autoresponder. We have that's amazing. E-commerce, so if you're having a store, if you want a website and you want a store on the side, anything, just like Shopify. We have video tags. Video tags, that means if you're making a video and you want people to click on the link in your video, or click on the video and going somewhere, and the email and your website and all of that, we have that, because you can share that on Facebook. Because like Facebook doesn't like us when we're putting a comment and we are putting a link in the comment. Facebook doesn't like when you're sending people out of Facebook. So with the video tag, the tag is right in the video. Just amazing, right? We have a mockup video, mockup studio. We have presentation studio if you're making a presentation on any kind of business. Autoresponder. So an autoresponder is a multi-social network. Then we have the Chatbot Facebook. That's amazing. Also very popular. All of these tools there, you have to pay separately, but in Builderall they're all in one place. We have the social proof. We have a webinar platform. So if you want to host a webinar, so any kind of business can host a webinar to attract their clients. We have Sitebot. So Sitebot is that little bubble you see on the side here, and you want to talk to your clients that are on your website right away. We have also the app creator. So any kind of business, you want to create an app. You want to create an app for yourself. You want to sell it. You want to sell it each month. We have that. We have a magazine editor. So you want to create a magazine each month, each year, each week. We have that with links in it and everything. It's so beautiful. The video funnel creator. We have photo studios. We have an animated video, also floating video on your website, browser notification, SEO report for your website, click map. You want to see where people are clicking on your website, chat review, share locker, a e-learning platform. Wow, you want to create a course online where people have to pay to go in. A script generator. So script generator helps you with your email sequence and everything. Roulette, who doesn't like to spin the wheel? WhatsApp messaging, video wrapper is just nice. Also Instagram autoresponder, SMS messaging, CMR, marketplace. You're creating a course, you're creating a product, and you want people to sell it for you, like just like in ClickBank. We have that on Builderall. So as you can see, this was just a glimpse of everything what this amazing platform can do for your business. So try the 7-day free trial, and hopefully we'll see each other soon.